Union Home Minister Amit Shah paid tribute to police personnel and soldiers who were killed in the line of duty on the occasion of Police Commemoration Day in New Delhi today. Police Commemoration Day is observed annually in honor of the 10 CRPF soldiers who lost their lives fighting the Chinese army on October 21, 1959. Union Home Minister Amit Shah in his address said that more than 216 police personnel were killed in the line of duty in past 1 year. Highlighting the progress made over the last decade, Amit Shah noted that regions previously troubled by unrest, including Kashmir, areas affected by left-wing extremism, and parts of the northeast, are now largely peaceful due to the dedication of the armed forces. He also pointed out that drones, narcotics, misuse of AI can disrupt peace and conspire to provoke religious feelings to feign communal tensions, cybercrime, infiltration, smuggling of arms, and terrorism. Extending his heartfelt gratitude to the police personnel for all the sacrifices they have made for the nation, Union Home Minister Amit Shah said that this is an occasion that honors the infinite sacrifice they and their families make to see India safe.